In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple way to create a LinkedIn profile banner image. This is my banner image right here, the Keep It Simple image. And I'm going to not only show you a simple way to create one, but then I'm going to show you how either on mobile or desktop to upload your banner image to your LinkedIn profile. Here's step one, create an image. Now you don't have to create it. If you go hit the pencil here, change the photo, LinkedIn gives you some community, societal images you can use. They may be all you need, so you could get those. Additionally, there's probably websites out there that you could go to get an image. The size of the image needs to be 1584 by 396, 1584 pixels wide, 396 pixels tall. Now, whether you get an image or not, that's up to you. If you do go get an image, I strongly encourage you to make sure that they are images that you have copyright permissions to use. So be very careful of that. But I'm going to show you how to create a very simple banner image. And rather than show you my higher end tools, I'm going to show you on Canva. Canva is a really cool tool, canva.com. I have an account. I do not pay for it. It's free to me. But when you go to Canva, log in, set up an account. It's the easiest way to do it, because once you create an account, this is pretty cool, because here's all the images that I've created over the years. All these are my images. But I'm going to create a new image for you, so let me show you how to do it. So go to social media, and when you click on social media, scroll all the way over and find LinkedIn background photo. It's really a banner image, but they call it a background photo. And there's a 1584 by 396. So click on that. Now, when you click on that, there's the canvas for you to create the image. So you could scroll through LinkedIn banners here, and you can find all kinds of different banners. The Pro means you have to pay for it. If it doesn't say Pro, it's free. And so you could go scrolling through here and find an image that you like, and you could use that image as the backdrop for your profile banner. I'm just going to find one that looks intriguing to me. Hang on a second. So here's one. Let's just use this one. So here's an interesting image, a bunch of people. Now, the cool thing about Canva is I can get rid of this text. I can get rid of this text. I can get rid of this box that's there. And there I just got a raw image. Now I can come in here, I can put a text box. I can use add a heading. It's bolder print. And I can put my, my quote on here. Click off of that. Now see, it needs to have something behind that. So let me put an element. Let's put a box, make it a little bit wider, narrower, no big magic. And I could take and change this, change what's called the transparency, make it a little bit more transparent. And there it is. It all starts the conversation. Now it appears to be I did it twice. I did do it. So I'm going to grab that and this, and I'm going to put it up top in the center. Now I want to leave this space open because that's where my picture is going to show. It all starts with the conversation. Click off of that, and that looks good. Now, that's all I want to do. I'm about to put my TLB. Let's make this box a little bit bigger, and let's put a subtext, add a subheading. And I'm going to do @TL Burriss. Now I'm going to take that, click on it, and drag it up into here like that. I have to get rid of these lines. I don't have to get rid of the lines. Now, I don't want to pretend to be a graphic artist, but there's a picture of some people, and it all starts with a conversation, and that's my handle. So that's all I want to do. That's all I want. Now I'm going to share it, and I'm going to download it. And a PNG, I can't change these so I'm not paying for it, and hit download. And there's my image. If I go look at it in my Finder, you do the same thing on a PC. I'm using a Mac, and there's my image. It's in the download folder, and it's named. It all starts with a conversation. It's all I need to know is where it is. Now, let's go back to LinkedIn. Back to LinkedIn, hit this pencil here. Hit change photo, upload photo, go to downloads. It all starts with a conversation. Hit open. There's my image right there. Look, I have filters so I can adjust brightness. Can make it a little brighter if I want to. Come on. Make it just a little bit brighter. I can make it darker, or I can make it brighter. I can go back to contrast, and I can change the contrast if I want to, darker or lighter. I can play around just like you can with your profile picture. I can go back to vignette. I can make it more vignette if I want to, and come back, and I got other filters. I can do illuminate. Just all that's actually pretty good. I like that. And then once you're done playing with it and making it look the way you want it to look, then you hit apply. And I just updated my LinkedIn profile banner with a new image and my quote. Pretty easy to do. Next step, I'm going to show you how to do this on your mobile device. Okay, I'm going to show you how to add the banner image to your LinkedIn profile using the mobile phone. Here's how you do it. Go to LinkedIn, open LinkedIn, click on home or your picture, and then click on view photo. Now I changed this image up top earlier so that I could show this to you. Let me let you know about a problem that exists with this steps I'm about ready to show you. When I go to, first of all, the image that I want to use, I've already airdropped in and put it in my cell phone. It's in my cell phone waiting for me to use it. And the size of that image is exactly 1584 by 396, which, by the way, if you do the math on that, it means it's close to 1600 pixels wide. And the height is 1/4 of the width. 1584 is 4 times bigger than 396. Now, so I've got the image ready for me to use. So I'm going to hit the pencil here on the image, and I'm going to hit add photo. Now I can select any of these images that are in this listing here for me to get, or I can upload photo. Now either option here, whether I upload a photo or take a photo, the same thing's going to happen. Let me go upload a photo. Here's the photo in the upper left-hand corner. When I click on that, watch what happens. It doesn't give me a preview. It does, in fact, give me a preview if I hit adjust or filter. There it is in filter. You can see the image is in each one of those circles. But when I come out of this and I just look at, the up top, the box here, it doesn't show up. But I know it's there because, again, when I went to filter, there it is there. So I know it exists. And again, I know it's 1584 by 396. So when I hit save, there it is. There's the image that I created in Canva. And even though there's a bugaboo or it doesn't let me preview it well when I'm adding it, as long as it's 1584 by 396 and it looks the way you want it to look, then it'll upload just fine. Probably what happens when I hit the pencil now and I can edit. See, it doesn't show an edit, so I can't see it. So hit back, hit discard, hit back, and leave it alone. I can edit it from the desktop. There's a lot of different ways you can use that banner image on your LinkedIn profile. One of the things that I encourage you to do is if you work for an organization that has dozens or any number of employees, I don't think you all should have the same banner image. That shows that you're more robotic than human. Having different branded images that may be relevant to the company would be acceptable, but I really do not recommend an organization create an image and have all of their employees use the exact same image. Because again, that shows the employee is more robotic than they are human. But having an image on there versus having nothing shows your target audience and your viewer that you cared enough to make it look just a little bit better. Hope these ideas are helpful.